Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome. My voice just cracked. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today. We are at a new Goodwill that I don't think I brought you into recently. We are in the city of Santa Ana. This is actually the Goodwill marketplace that is like, it's also a Goodwill outlet, but it's called the Goodwill marketplace, and it's attached to a regular Goodwill, just like the one that we go to in LA a lot of the time. So I wanted to take you guys somewhere new. This one is a really cool store here in Santa Ana, so if you guys are in Orange County, you guys have to come check it out. It's actually 3 stores. There is the marketplace, which is the outlet, and you buy the clothes by the pound. There's the regular Goodwill store, which is actually a really large store and really cool. You can get lost in there for hours and just check everything out. And then there's a third store, and it's like a tech store where they sell TVs, computers, laptops, anything remote, like electronic. They sell it there, but pretty much to do with like TVs and computers and stuff like that, video games and cell phones. So it's a pretty cool store. Check it out. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, because I do post thrifting videos every single day. And if you guys would like to and haven't done so already, add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see whatever we have for sale from my thrifting adventures. Right now it's actually 20 minutes to 11. The store doesn't open until 11 o'clock, so we're gonna actually go over to the marketplace, because I believe the marketplace opened at 10. So we'll check that out, then head over to this regular Goodwill store when it opens at 11. All right, let's go. Oh, and also I don't know if I can film in the marketplace. I tried to film there before and I was told I wasn't allowed to, so I probably won't film in there, but I will when we get into the store. Let's go. The regular store is over there. There's actually a line already, and then the marketplace is over here. And what's cool about the marketplace is not only can you buy clothes by the pound, but I believe they also they hold auctions where they sell like large storage containers that are full of like items, and you can bid on them. I've never actually been to an auction, but I think it would be really cool. Anyway, let's head inside and check it out. There's a sign. Let's go. They're letting us in. Alright, the handbags. There's this Fendi that I'm pretty sure is authentic, but it's really damaged. There's like a lady and her daughter. They're so cute. They're like all over the purses. But I'm looking through here, like the purses that aren't being like connected to the grates or whatever, and seeing if they maybe missed any handbags. But this store is actually pretty good at finding like all of the name brand designer purses. So let's see if they missed any. That's one of the things too. A lot of these Goodwills and stuff, they're getting pretty savvy with designer and stuff like that. So they are like holding them back, connecting, like they either put them in the Goodwill market, or what is it called? Shop Goodwill online, which is kind of like an eBay, but just for Goodwill, where they auction off the items. This is Sandra Roberts. This is Sandra Roberts. This one's $9. This one's a maybe. I already forgot what I was talking about, but yeah, so they do sell like a lot of their stuff online as well. So a lot of the stuff doesn't even make it onto the floor. That's like the designer name brand kind of stuff. Oh, here's a B. Mikowski that they missed. Look at the inside. $10. Not bad. Steve Madden right here. A bunch of Steve Madden bags. Is that a B. Mikowski? Sure is. Look at all the furniture. Ooh, tufted goodness. I think this one's only 20 bucks. Ooh, look at these chairs. These are like outdoor chairs. These are outdoor chairs. I wonder how much they are. I don't see a sticker anywhere. Oh, they're actually $40 each. Too bad. Look at this little side table. This glass rooster is really cool. $5. The Crate and Barrel multi-picture frame. It's $8. It's actually pretty nice. I wonder how much this originally retailed for. Alright, time for the vases. Let's see if there's anything cool here. I've been really on the hunt for like a lot of blue and white, or like white or like solid blue. But like for blue, like I want something like that color of blue, like a darker. The botanicals. This is pretty. It's from Target, $4. I'm looking at the mug. There's this Elvis mug right there. There's also a Sylvester Six Flags. See that yellow Laura Gates mug right there. There's a Donald. Oh my gosh, there are so many mugs to look at. Do you think any of them are going to be like Anthropology or anything? Oh, this is actually a super cute mug. It has like all my favorite things on it. Oh my gosh, this little cat is so cute. Don't you guys just love like a good, fun, whimsical mug? Like I know you guys are tired of me talking about this, but they're just so fun. Oh, B. This is Anthropology for sure. Yeah. 99 cents. I'll take it. Oh, these are one of those birds. I literally had one of these when I was little. You like put it on your... Let me see if I can do this with the one hand. Oh no, the weights are off. Oh, the weight got pulled out. But they're supposed to balance on the end of your finger. Okay, so where there's one Anthropology mug, there might be some more. This print design is really, really pretty. I'm also looking for like pictures that are like white, that are possibly Pottery Barn, possibly Great White or Emma, to match the pieces that I've been collecting and thrifting from those collections. There's a C mug right there, but I know that one is like from Target or something. Oh, look at these. These are from Target. They're like your astrological signs. Alright, you guys, we're at the plates and stuff. My favorite. Ooh, this Pyrex is actually in pretty good condition. I still have like all this Pyrex that I haven't even put up in the shop yet, so I'm kind of like thinking that I should stay clear of them for a while till I can post them up and see if they sell. Oh, this is actually really pretty. Did someone make this? I actually think this is not these plates, but I think this is Pampered Chef right here. It is, and it is. How much is that? $4? I think I already have one of those though. Plus they don't really, they're like huge. I think there's another Pampered Chef piece right here though. Is it? It is $4.99. Yes. I don't know why I love plates so much. I just love eating off of like a beautiful plate. Like, is that weird? They have a lot of Target stuff, like that's Target and already chipped. These little, oh, those are from Tag. Patrizi. These are a really pretty color. Longa Burger Pottery. This is a really pretty blue, very patriotic with the stars. That's from Target. Look at that little purple frog. It's so cute. I'm cracking up over this little tyke cowlight. It moves. I'm pretty sure these are like Williams Sonoma. And they're $3 a piece though, which is pretty pricey. This is also really pretty. How pretty is this serving bowl? Too bad there's like, where is it? Oh, there's like a couple little broken pieces, and it's Williams Sonoma too, which is, I love it. I don't know how I missed this, because I was looking at this thing. So I got sidetracked. So this is literally like a brand new Pampered Chef dish. Look at that, it's like never been used. You can tell because it's still like super light. Looks like it's just been in storage this whole entire time. Those watermelon things are pretty cute too, but I can tell a lot of them look like they've already been damaged. I can't believe my fortune, but I found another Emile Henry piece. This one's just dirty. It just needs a good washing. $2.99, yes, and I believe the color of the day is orange, which is half off. These are really expensive, so these are perfect. Okay, so I'm looking through like the other tchotchkes. These are like all the metal things with other stuff mixed in. Look at these tassels. This is a really interesting looking platter or tray. I actually kind of like it, but it's broken down the middle. They have some of these hangers for $1.99. Don't think I would really need any hangers right now though. So these are really nice. Maybe I will just hold on to them. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, look at this. This is cute. I love little birds. Oh my gosh, it's a feather pen. These are so cool. Plume pen. Look at this tray, it's really cool. It's like very native. Looking like it's from the Philippines. See what else we can find. It'd be really cool to find like a Le Creuset piece, like a cooking piece. I haven't found one of those in quite some time. Look at this monkey. Aww. He's $3.99. These from Pottery Barn? No, these are Threshold. These are from Target. Look at all these carpets. This one's kind of cool, but it's just like a small one. This is interesting, this blue one. This one's pretty too. How much are these things? $80. They have so many pillows and blankets and stuff. So, I don't know if it's just me, but I just am someone who loves luggage, especially vintage luggage. This is Fulton So Light luggage. I love the contrast between the navy and the brown leather. It's gorgeous. This is a beautiful piece. I'm just looking at all the different luggage now. This is pretty interesting too. Is this also one of those Fulton So Light luggages? Anyway. Look at this backpack. So many things to see. Alright, so I found this Opal House pillow, which I like, but it looks just like it got faded or something. It's like brown and I don't know, the colors are kind of strange, right? If you ever need a Keurig or a coffee maker, slow cooker, popcorn maker, toaster, come to the Goodwill. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Is it really only $5? Alright, you guys, just got everything inside the car. Let's go home and I'll show you guys. Alright, guys, check out Thrifting again. They just brought out a new car